In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a widget to a page in WordPress. Let's dive right in and make your WordPress site more dynamic. First, we'll start by opening up your web browser and heading over to wordpress.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to access your account. Look towards the upper corner of the page and locate the login button. Go ahead and click on that to bring up the login screen. For many of us, the simplest way to log in is by using Google. Hit the option that says continue with Google and you'll be directed to a new screen. Here you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Select the one you use for your WordPress site and this will seamlessly log you into your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to head over to your pages. This is where the real work begins. On your dashboard, find the menu item titled Pages. Clicking on this will present you with a list of all the pages you have on your site. Choose the page to which you want to add a widget. You do so by clicking on the edit button next to that page's name. This will open up the page in editing mode so you can customize it further. With your page open in editor mode, shift your focus to the top left corner of the screen. You'll find a button labeled Add. Clicking on this will allow you to enhance your page with various elements, one of them being widgets. Widgets are incredibly useful for adding specialized functionality to a page, such as a calendar, a list of recent posts, or even a search bar. Once you click Add, you'll have access to the block library, which is a collection of tools and widgets you can use to enrich your site. You can either scroll through this library to see all the options available, or if you have a specific widget in mind, you can use the search feature to find it quickly. Simply type in the name of the widget you're interested in and select it from the results. After finding your desired widget, click to add it to your page. You can then move it around your layout and customize it to fit your theme and style. Take your time here to ensure everything looks and functions the way you want it to. Finalize your changes by saving or updating your page, ensuring your new widget is live for your viewers to interact with. And there you have it. You've successfully added a widget to your WordPress page, enhancing its functionality and appeal. By following these steps, you can turn any basic page into something dynamic and interactive, making it more engaging for your visitors. Happy editing, and stay tuned for more tutorials.